At NVIDIA's GTC, the company unveiled a plethora of groundbreaking technologies, but one that stood out was the announcement of their new deep learning super sampling technology, DLSS 3. This is a significant leap forward from the previous version, offering a massive performance boost and unparalleled image quality. According to NVIDIA, DLSS 3 can achieve up to 10x performance improvement in certain workloads, making it an essential tool for developers working with AI-powered graphics. One of the most impressive aspects of DLSS 3 is its ability to accelerate real-time ray tracing, a critical component of photorealistic rendering. By leveraging NVIDIA's tensor cores and the power of AI, DLSS 3 can handle complex lighting and shading calculations with ease. This, in turn, allows developers to push the boundaries of visual fidelity, creating immersive experiences that blur the line between reality and fantasy. But DLSS 3 is not just a performance enhancer, it also boasts impressive image quality. NVIDIA claims that DLSS 3 can achieve comparable results to traditional supersampling methods, but with significantly less computational overhead. This is made possible by the company's proprietary algorithms, which work in tandem with the graphics processing unit, GPU, to produce stunning visuals. The implications of DLSS 3 are far-reaching, and it's no surprise that it has sparked excitement within the developer community. Games and applications that utilize DLSS 3 will not only be more performant but also visually stunning. As the technology continues to mature, we can expect to see even more innovative applications across various industries, from gaming and film to architecture and product design. As we dive deeper into the announcements made at NVIDIA's GTC, it's becoming increasingly clear that these developments have far-reaching implications for various industries. One of the most significant areas of impact is in the field of autonomous vehicles. NVIDIA's announcement of its new Drive OS for autonomous machines, for instance, is a game-changer. This software platform will enable the development of more complex AI models for real-time decision-making in autonomous vehicles. What's striking about this announcement is the emphasis on the software's ability to handle edge cases and complex scenarios, which are often the Achilles heel of autonomous systems. According to NVIDIA, the Drive OS can process up to 20 petaflops of compute power, making it one of the most powerful AI platforms available. This is a significant improvement over previous solutions, which often struggled to keep up with the demands of real-world driving. Another area where NVIDIA's GTC announcements have significant implications is in the realm of 5G and edge computing. The company's partnership with Ericsson to develop a 5G-powered edge computing platform is a major step forward in the development of more efficient and reliable network architectures. This collaboration has the potential to revolutionize the way data is processed and analyzed in real time, with applications ranging from smart cities to IoT devices. The real-world implications of these announcements are vast and varied. In the realm of healthcare, for instance, NVIDIA's advancements in AI and computing could lead to more accurate and efficient medical imaging and diagnosis. Similarly, in the field of finance, the company's developments in AI-powered risk management could help mitigate financial losses and improve overall decision-making. As we continue to explore the top 5 surprising announcements from NVIDIA's GTC, it's clear that these innovations have the potential to disrupt industries and transform the way we live and work. One of the most significant announcements from NVIDIA's GTC was the unveiling of their new deep learning super sampling, DLSS, technology, which has the potential to revolutionize the world of graphics rendering. DLSS uses AI to render graphics at a much lower resolution, but then upscales it to a higher resolution in real time, resulting in significant performance boosts. This technology is not only a game-changer for the gaming industry but also has far-reaching implications for fields like architecture, engineering, and scientific visualization. According to NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, DLSS is capable of achieving frame rates of up to 4K at 60 frames per second, which is unprecedented in the industry. The technology is also backwards compatible with existing graphics cards, making it accessible to a wide range of users. This is a major turning point for NVIDIA, as it marks a significant shift away from traditional rendering methods and towards a more AI-driven approach. But what's truly remarkable about DLSS is its ability to learn and adapt to specific use cases. NVIDIA has integrated a proprietary algorithm that allows DLSS to learn from user data and optimize its performance accordingly. This means that as users interact with the system, DLSS becomes more efficient and accurate, resulting in a more seamless and immersive experience. The impact of DLSS is not limited to the gaming industry alone. Its applications extend to fields like computer-aided design, CAD, medical imaging, and even virtual reality. NVIDIA is already working with several top-tier companies, including Autodesk and Siemens, to integrate DLSS into their software suites. This level of collaboration and innovation is a testament to the transformative power of AI and the potential for NVIDIA's DLSS to change the face of industry and entertainment. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that NVIDIA's GTC was a showcase of innovation and disruption in the tech industry. From the advancements in AI and graphics, to the unveiling of new hardware and software, there's no denying that NVIDIA is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The announcement of Hopper GPUs, with their impressive 80% increase in performance over previous models, is a prime example of this. But it's not just about raw power. NVIDIA's focus on real-world applications and use cases is what truly sets them apart. From the medical imaging breakthroughs enabled by Hopper, to the potential for new AI-powered gaming experiences, the possibilities are endless. But what about the other 4 announcements we covered? The new Omniverse platform, with its potential to democratize access to cutting-edge graphics and simulation tools, could revolutionize industries like architecture, product design, and even entertainment. And let's not forget the announcement of NVIDIA's new 3D design software, which is poised to change the way we approach product design and prototyping. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a curious enthusiast, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, the news from NVIDIA's GTC is sure to leave you buzzing. So, what can you do with this new information? Start by exploring the resources and tools NVIDIA has made available. Download the Omniverse platform, and get hands-on with the new 3D design software. And if you're feeling adventurous, start experimenting with the Hopper GPUs, who knows what breakthroughs you might achieve. The future of tech is being written in real time, and NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution. By staying informed, and staying ahead of the curve, you'll be better equipped to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, and discover the possibilities for yourself.